This is the quick start guide. Now, this is going to be a couple points just to get you started in this whole thing before you go through everything else. If you want the bare bones, minimum, basic, don't have any time, what should you do? First thing you're going to do, measure. Establish your baseline. See what you weigh, see your strength numbers, see your circumference measurements, whatever it has to be. Get a baseline on where you're at first. Nutrition, the second thing. You're going to choose one habit. I have a list of habits in a different lecture. You can take a look at those. But you're going to choose one habit to work on with nutrition. It could be a lot of different things. Hydration, the serving size, a lot of different options. You're going to choose one habit. And the third thing is exercise. You're going to do your first workout. There's a bunch of workouts to choose from. Bodyweight exercises, TRX, strength training. You're going to choose one workout. That's all. So establish your baseline, choose your nutrition habit, and then get one workout completed. That's your quick start guide. There's many more things in here that will help you. That will help you get started.